Welcome back. You're watching Business at 9, and before we of course get into perspective as to what more we have for you tonight, there's something that we always talk about during this particular time of the year. Yes, it's festivals, and what better way to be starting this entire festivities than Ganeshotsav. While we talk about the unity and diversity that all of us, of course, look forward to in terms of each festival that's being celebrated across the country, we know that one thing that is synonymous with Ganeshotsav is the spirit in Mumbai and what really Maharashtra turns into. While most of us might not have the opportunity to be looking at it from ground zero, we here at ET Now are keeping you ahead in terms of bringing you the latest and also making sure that you're not missing out, at least on the spirit of the festival. So let's take a look. India is all set to welcome Bappa as Ganeshotsav celebrations begin with grandeur, devotion from Maharashtra to Karnataka, Telangana to Goa, and across several other states. Preparations are in full swing for the 10-day festival. In Mumbai, the heart and soul of Ganeshotsav, excitement is already at its peak. Pandals across the city are ready, idols have been installed, and the spirit of faith fills every neighborhood. The iconic mandals from Lal Bagh Cha Raja to Ganesh Gali are drawing massive crowds even before the festivities begin, which is not a surprise. But let's also tell you, to ensure smooth celebrations, Mumbai Police has deployed over 17,000 personnel across the city, while civic authorities have set up additional control rooms, medical posts and immersion arrangements. But in a push for sustainability that we've been seeing at least for the past couple of years, what we do know is that now the BMC has distributed clay and natural colors to promote eco-friendly idols, with many pandals already opting for greener alternatives. Best will also operate special overnight bus services to help devotees move across the city during the late night processions. My colleague Kanishka Sarkar visited the GSB Seva Mandal to find out, or rather also give us a quick sense into Ganesh Chaturthi preparations. Let's take a look. Well, I'm here at Mumbai's King's Circle, which is ready to welcome its 71st. It's celebrating its 71st year of GSB Seva Mandal Puja, and we are here joined by devotees, and the festive vibes are unmatchable. Let's take a look at how the festive vibes are looking and where our devotees are coming in from. Hi ma'am, thank you so much for joining us today. So how long have you been attending this puja?
I have been attending I think from 30 years, because our college is here and they have a magnificent arrangement and magnanimous operations and everything. So, and the vibes are super, very high religious vibes.
And right, ma'am, we have the idol is adorned with nearly 70 kgs of gold this time. So how does it feel looking at it?
Very, very, very nice, and vibes are very good. Excellent arrangement.
The idol's grandeur is superb, too good.
And where are you visiting from? Where are you located, and how long have you traveled to be here?
I am staying in Kandivali, and I come, as I said, I work here. I'm a professor here in the college. So I travel from Kandivali, and many of our relatives and friends keep visiting here. So, and the arrangements also, food and the darshan and everything are very well organized. And the idol, oh my God, you always find that positive and that aura is super.
Persons have come from Cochin, Chennai, Bangalore, like that, every place from all over India.
And ma'am, this time around we've seen that digital bookings are also happening, Seva bookings are also happening. Have any of you booked digital Seva, and how has the experience been?
I have booked one. It is very convenient and it is much more easier than it was previous year. Yeah.
All right. And what about the food? I'm hearing that the Annadan Seva is huge here. So what does that mean to you? What has your experience been like over the years attending this puja here?
Prasad, God's prasad.
All devotees that come here, they will be always given the prasad. So that's something unique here, that everybody will be given on the plantain leaf, and the normal food prasad that will be given to everybody. So it's great actually to have the
As it is blessing.
Yeah, Ganpati Bappa.
Ganpati's blessing.
And we volunteers support it all the more so that everybody is served on time and there is very good discipline maintained. So we just love doing it. Never feel exhausted.
We are proud that we are a part of our JSB community.
And we are part of Seva. There are
We
lots
love
of
to.
people who have this prasadam on a daily basis. So 5 days, it's full celebration with food and everything. We just enjoy and seek his blessings. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Bappa Moria. It's to all the Ganesh Bhakts and all the viewers of ET Now. We at GSB Seva Mandal will celebrate our 71st Ganesh Utsav at this ground, which you can see is fully covered and in a metal shed with air conditioning facility. And we made some special arrangements for devotees this time. We are making sure that all the devotees enter through an elevated skywalk, because we have very small entrance, and they will come straight to the Lord stage and not have a diversion anywhere in the middle. So that by itself will be a faster than normal darshan, but people may still have to wait in queues for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours maybe. But we will try to shorten it as much as we can. Having said this, we have worked on this preparation for the entire Ganesh Utsav since the last 8 months. And whatever you see right now in this pandal and also outside on the road is what we have been able to accomplish over the last 8 months after discussing among all our committee members, all our volunteers and people who have worked for this institution and this event since the last so many years. We've received about 200 odd emails, letters, messages, which were in form of feedback, complaint, which were in form of also process improvements. So we don't look at complaints or letters as necessarily a complaint, but an opportunity to improve services to devotees. The hallmark of this year's event is going to be devotee facilitation, trying to give them a pleasurable experience when they come here. As you know, the Lord is known as the richest Bappa, but we believe that it is the Bappa's blessings which are the richest, and that is why so many lakhs and lakhs of devotees who come here every day over the last years and decades, and we are seeing increasing number of people coming in every time.
As festive spirits are high and Ganesh Utsav vibes are all across the Mumbai. Presently we are at GSB Seva Mandal at King Circle, Mumbai. GSB Seva Mandal is the richest pandal in Mumbai, richest in sense that kind of insurance coverage this pandal has taken this year is highest ever. 475 crore of insurance coverage is taken by GSB Seva Pandal and GSB Seva Mandal. And if I give the breakup of this 475 crore, then gold and silver jewelry coverage is of 67 crore. Personal accident cover for staff and volunteer is of 375 crore. Public liability cover for pandals and devotees is of 30 crores, and fire and pearl insurance of a venue is of 2 crores. So this coverage is given by public sector insurance company New India Assurance. So last year also the coverage was given by New India Assurance. It was of 400 crore, but last year gold rates were at 77,000 for per 10 gram, but this year gold rate peaked to 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams. So insurance coverage has also increased and premium also increased. Another famous Ganpati Pandal, that is Lal Bagh Ka Raja, has also taken an insurance coverage of 70 crore. Although Lord Bappa will protect all their devotees, all the followers, but organizers are saying for the safety and protection, of everyone, they have taken the insurance coverage. With camera person Sanjay, this is Anurag Shah for ET Now, Mumbai.
Well, and as India celebrates Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the bringer of prosperity. We at ET Now, the entire team, wishes that this festive season also ushers in resilience for businesses, growth for markets, and new opportunities for every entrepreneur and investor, but also for all our viewers, because may wisdom guide your decisions and success follow your ventures. From all of us here, once again, wishing you and your family a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. And on that note, I want to thank you everyone for joining us here on Business Tonight. Thank you. Good night.